Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this pop-up mosaic effect on images by using CapCut. So in here, you just need to add two materials, the background and also the image that you want to animate, and also add the mosaic effect like this. And if you have the background, you can just use the remove widget to remove the background of the image. And let's first start by adding the pop-up effect. So you need to add two keyframes on the photo. Here on the first keyframe, drag the photo to the bottom like this, and after that move forward a bit and drag it back to the top like so. So it will have this effect. And to make it smoother, you can use grab. Here I'm going to use the ease out 3. Okay, click on the check icon and let's add the mosaic effect. So you need to go to the video effects. Here find the texture category, this one, and then add the dot silk screen effect. Click on the check icon. And let's change the object that the effect applied to. So click on object, now choose overlay, click on the check icon. So here is the result. You can always adjust it to your liking. You can adjust the texture, the filter, the color. You can change it to how you like, and after that you can change the size. So when you're done, this is the pop-up mosaic style effect. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.